It's a rainy day and I thought of doing something hot. I'm going to show you how to do chicken parcels in a pan. I'm going to do the dough first. For that, 300 grams plain flour with 1.5 tablespoons oil, salt and pepper to your taste, and 150 milliliters boiling water. So let's start. Let's knead the dough first. For that, add the oil and add the boiling water into the flour and start mixing. So the dough is ready and I was kneading this about 5 minutes, and leave this to rest about 5 minutes until we prepare the rest of the ingredients. So the other ingredients that I am going to use: 500 grams chicken breast mince, a tablespoon parsley, half a teaspoon cumin powder with 1 teaspoon of Tuscan seasoning. You can add any seasoning as you wish. Tuscan seasoning has salt and pepper in it, so I'm not going to add extra salt and pepper. 1 cup of vegetable stock or chicken stock, and I'm using 1 zucchini, 1.5 onions, few chilies and a capsicum, and 1 carrot. Grate the zucchini. It's about 300 grams of zucchini. Into that, going to grate the carrot. Now into that, add the spices, chicken, and cut the onion. Now the chilies. Chilies are always optional. And add about a teaspoon of garlic powder or fresh garlic into the chicken too. Then add the onion and the chilies and mix it well with the chicken. Now it's ready. Add some flour onto the bench and put the dough onto the flour. Press down and roll the dough to a thin rectangle. And after, cut it into squares. So first cut it in half, then you can cut it into half again, like this. Then cut it in half. I'm going to cut this into 3. Like this. After, add some oil into a pan and spread it all over. I added about less than a tablespoon. Now put about a teaspoon of the mix on each piece. If you want to make balls, take a spoonful and leave it like this. One bowl. This is going to be another 1-pot meal that you can serve with a little bit of salad on the side. It was exactly enough. Now take one piece and get the ends together from one side, and then press down and get the other ends like this. Press and leave it in the pan like this. This is a very simple meal that you can prep beforehand, cook when you come from work. So I finished them all. So put a pan on the stove and cook it on a low heat so we have oil underneath, so it will brown the bottom of the pastry. So on a low heat about 5 minutes. So when you are doing this, make sure to shake the pan once in a while. So check the bottom of the pastry and it is dry now. So I am going to add the stock water. Don't add it into the chicken, you need to add it into the pan. And don't forget that the chicken is raw, so we need to cook this in a very low heat. Now cover, so the steam will help to cook thoroughly. So it is ready. You can separate it without any problem. So let's take one onto the plate. If you like, you can have the liquid and take a bit of liquid and put it on top like this and serve with any sauce, or as this is, or even you can use this as a dumpling to the soup. So when you cut it, it's nicely with the chicken and the flour layer. So this is a nice simple low carb meal that you can do at home in less than 30 minutes. Hope you will enjoy. See you next time.